Are you ready to dive into the world of protocol buffers for Java on Windows? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by confusing documentation, you're not alone. Today, we're going to simplify the process and get you set up in no time. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to follow documentation that seems scattered and unclear. Many new users have faced this same challenge, and it can really slow down your progress. Let's look at a specific question from a user. How do I install and use protocol buffers for Java on Windows? This is a common concern, and today we're going to break it down step by step. So what exactly is the issue here? Protocol buffers, or protobuf, is a method developed by Google for serializing structured data. While it's powerful, the setup process can be tricky for newcomers, especially on Windows. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make working with protocol buffers even easier. To begin using protocol buffers for Java on Windows, the user needs to download the protocol buffers compiler. This is essential for compiling .proto files into Java classes. Next, the user should add the protocol buffers compiler to their system's path. This allows them to run the compiler from any command prompt. Now the user needs to set up a Java project. They can use an IDE like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse. The user should create a new project and add the protocol buffers Java library as a dependency. After setting up the project, the user should create a .proto file. This file defines the data structure that protocol buffers will serialize. Finally, the user can compile the .proto file using the protocol buffers compiler. This will generate the Java classes needed to work with the defined messages. Fun fact, protocol buffers are used by many Google services, including YouTube and Google Search, so you're in good company using this technology. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach for using protocol buffers for Java on Windows is to utilize an online tool. First, copy and paste your schema fragment at protogen.markgravel.com. Then select Prodoc Java or your desired language and click Generate. Finally, you can copy your generated code or review any errors and warnings in your schema. Keep in mind, this tool currently supports only a single input and output document, which limits imports. Some built-in imports work, like Google protobuf/duration.proto. Also, if there's a syntax error and your schema includes import, it won't invoke Prodoc. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always keep your protobuf compiler updated. This ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes, making your development process smoother. And there you have it. You are now ready to install and use protocol buffers for Java on Windows. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.